Okay, 3 card Monte, performance and tutorial. I got 3 cards, 2 9s and 1 ace. You're gonna follow the ace. Okay, here is it. Where's the ace? I think it's here. Right. Good. Okay, we try again. This time a little bit harder. So here. Good. Okay, again. You say here. Wrong. What's here? Okay, we try again. There. So here. Wrong again. What's there? Okay, so how will this work? It's simple. It's just a simple throw. When you throw down this card, you actually take, you separate these 2 cards here, and when you do like this, you throw the card on the top. I can show it slow. You see? Show it again. Yeah. And then you just, yeah. So that's the tutorial on how to do 3 card Monte.